In this video, we're transforming Excel data into an AI app. You can see here customer, item and region appearing over in the app. The app is also tracking tasks for managing and setting up the data. And now you're about to see how recent advances in AI revolutionize the way you manage your business. Instead of typing or tapping, you can simply ask the AI a question. Show me opportunities. You can see the AI has selected areas of the business that are doing well. Let's ask another question. Show me threats. The biggest threats are the bright red ones at the top. So let's tap on the first one. If you're Sam Smith, you probably want to do some real-time analysis inside the app. When we turn to landscape mode and zoom in on the chart, we can see that customer service is down, inventory is up, and therefore our profit is taking a major hit. Now you could do more analysis on your phone, but you're more likely going to go over to your laptop and open up a dashboard like this one. The dashboard is based on the exact same information as the AI app. However, AI might be able to hallucinate, but the dashboard is algorithmic. This means you can drill into problems and here, for example, see there's not enough stock in the north, but there's too much in the south. And this is why people like me are getting so excited about recent advances in AI like ChatGPT. I've been able to take an entire career of working with enterprise-level business analytics in what is often referred to as sales and operations planning or integrated business planning, and I've been able to bake all of that into an AI assistant that can be accessed through a simple app on your phone. What you're now seeing on the screen is a before and after. In just 1 month, we've doubled our profit, increased our customer service, and reduced our inventory, all because the AI spotted a big threat to the business. And now, as I'm sure you can imagine, what you've seen in this video is just the tip of the iceberg. If you'd like us to help you on your journey towards human-centered AI, then head over to onebusinessapp.com. Thanks for watching.